Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the Crazy Horse Genuine Leather watch band for the Apple Watch in 42mm, red, brown, gray and brown. And let's take a look. Open it up. And the red, brown. Okay, so let's test. So we have black on the back. Cool. Okay, I like the feel, but not sure that's a good sign or a bad sign. This one feels more like leather. Well, we'll see. Okay, so let's remove the lugs on the Apple Watch and see if it fits. Okay, that fits quite nicely. Yeah. So let's check how well it fits. So for me, there's play. There's definitely a lot of play. You can clearly see the gap, but that's something I feel like I'm not paying like $500 for this, so I have no problem with it at all. So let's just try it on really quick. I have really small wrists, so it might even be too long. Oh, okay. Actually, I think I can get away with the second but last one. Okay, I would say that works. This part is huge, but I think I don't mind it. Okay, so let's get rid of that one. And try the other ones. That's snug indeed. So I would think this one has way less play, and I'm actually surprised. Well, it looks like there's some rubber in here. That would make sense. Okay. So let's try this on as well. Really quick. Nice. Like it. And the last one. And that kind of flopped up. Oh, easier that way. So this one has much more play than the other two here. That's super interesting. Not sure why those fit so much better. Not that I would care. If you know why, put it in the comments so everybody can learn from it. Let's try the last one. That's actually a better fit, I think, for me. I like that color, to be honest. It's like strange, but I like it. Cool. Okay, so I'll just show you how small my wrists are by putting the original strap on there. What I do is I normally use the third but last. Nope, that's actually counted the wrong way. And if I put it in here, put enough pressure on it. Okay, so super interesting video, but I still think it might help someone, so that's why I'm posting it. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.